Hi, I'm medical reporter Suzanne Stevens here in the Dermatologic Laser Center. How would you like one treatment in 1 hour to become one size smaller? It's called Liposonix, and you're about to see it done right here in this office. Now, Liposonix is high intensity, very focused ultrasound, and the ultrasonic beams come together under your skin to heat and destroy fat cells. The fat cells then melt away in your body through its natural healing process. So in just 1 hour right here in this office, you can have your tummy or the love handles you might have on your hips, you can have those areas treated and the fat literally will melt away. Now I have to tell you, this is not a substitute for diet or exercise, you still have to do that, but this is a proven way to get rid of that last little stubborn fat you might have. Now the perfect patient for this is someone who is about 10 to 20 pounds overweight, who just can't get rid of one little bit of fat left over. And you really can expect your clothes to fit a whole lot better after just one treatment. Again, it's called Liposonix, and it's giving liposuction a run for its money. It's not nearly as messy, there is no needles, you don't have to take a sedative, there's no scalpel, and maybe best of all for your lifestyle, there is no downtime with this. With us now is Lee Chandler, who is going to have Liposonix today. Are you excited?
Absolutely, I am, yes.
Tell me, if you don't mind, how old you are.
I'm 53.
Okay, and what's your situation? You've had children, as I understand it?
I have 2 grown children, yes.
Okay, so it's been a while.
Yes.
And why did you decide to do this procedure? Tell me what your thought process was.
I exercise regularly. I try to stay fit. I want to lose weight, and I've been working at that for quite a while, and I'm hoping that this will get the problem areas that I haven't been able to handle with exercise.
Do you consider yourself overweight?
Yes, I think I'm at least 25 pounds overweight. It's easy to collect extra pounds over the years gradually, and then before you know it, it's gotten out of control. And it's not easy to get it back in control after you get to a certain age, for women especially.
So what are you hoping that this will do?
I'm hoping that this will drop me a pant size. That's my problem area. It's right in my stomach. And I think if I can get an inch off, that I'll be able to get back into a whole lot of clothes that are hanging in my closet.
So what do you understand will happen during the procedure?
Maybe some tingling. I guess it could be warmth. I guess it just depends on the individual.
And what is your understanding of how permanent this is?
I understand that it's totally permanent. The fat cells will be gone forever.
And what do you think of that?
I think that's great. I think this is a breakthrough procedure.
What do you understand the risks are from this procedure?
There may be some bruising and discomfort maybe during the procedure, but I understand that's very minimal. Do this measure.
Okay. And what is that?
We have this guideline, so we mark the squares. Spray water on the area, and that, creates a good surface.
What do you feel?
It's a little tingly.
I did my best friend. She did this, and she lost 2 inches. So, it's variable person to person, but we do measurements before and then measurements 2 months after, just to see what the total maximum effect is going to be. And you can continue to lose inches for 3 months even.
Now, is this something you could do again in the same place, or no, that's risky?
You can. You certainly can. You can do it as many times as you want.
Really excited. I've lost 3 inches in my waist. I had an inner tube around my middle, and now it's gone. Now my life is about doing things, going places, and just being comfortable in my own skin. The whole atmosphere in Dr. Brown's office is wonderful. Everybody takes the time, explains what's going to happen. Liposonix really changed my life, and I would recommend it to anyone.
They have done clinical studies on this, on more than 200 patients, and they found that on average, the patients lost 1 inch around their waist after just one treatment. That is a skirt size, that's a muffin top. Now, to find out more about Liposonix, by all means, ask your nurse or Dr. Brown himself here at the Dermatologic Laser Center. Remember, one treatment, 1 hour, one size smaller. I'm medical reporter Suzanne Stevens.